What is CI CD? So continuous integration. Continuous integration. Continuous deployment. Right. Continuous integration and continuous deployment. So for this purpose, we are using which tools we are using to. So for example, which tools we are using to deploy? So we already learned the Docker, right? Docker, Ansible, Kubernetes, right? Are a physical EC2 instance. So deployment is nothing but. So we can deploy the we can deploy the code. So we can deploy the code into the server, right? So we can use these tools and we can deploy the code, right? Yeah. So what is CI? Say purpose, which tools we used, which tools we learn, guys. So we learn the Git, right? So from the Git code, so code took from the Git, and so we can use the Maven. We can use the Maven and uh, s- something like Sonar Cube JUnit, right? So we can use these tools for the integration. So we can use these tools for the integration, and we can deploy the code. So whatever the code, right? We can. So here in the integration part, develop develop the code plus where something like building the code. So what is develop the code? Develop the code developed on the .java or .where. Code is developed on the .java or .where. Java or where. So it will convert to the, guys, tell me. It will convert to the .java .where to. It will convert to the by using building tool .where or .jar. For example, web WhatsApp webwhatsapp.com webwhatsapp.com where are. So this is right. So once we build the code, so once we manually did this one, right? I don't want to manually do this, so I want to automate this process. I want to automate this process. So what are the CI/CD tools, guys? So Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, so many tools. Something like Argo CD. Argo CD is only for the CD, and GitHub also. GitHub options. GitHub options also. So we can use for the CI/CD. In this course, what we will learn about the Jenkins and CI/CD. So this is nothing but a simple DevOps project. What is this, guys? Simple DevOps project. So how to integrate this one? How to integrate this one? Guys, understood? One second. Yeah. So whatever the developer developed that code, right? DevOps took that from deploy to the app server, right? For this purpose, we need to use some of the pipelines, build, test, release, plan, monitor. So whatever the code, right? Code will be building to the, yeah. So here plan in the CI part. So so build plan code. I will tell you guys one second. Yeah. So Jenkins CI CD. So from the GitHub we took the code and build. So through the build Maven, so we can build the code. So by using testing, JUnit testing, code quality, something like a Sonar Cube. So once we done this, so through the package, something like an Nexus, a JFrog, or whatever it may be, we can push this package to the Nexus Artifactory or a JFrog Artifactory or a GitHub Artifactory. So in the GitHub Artifactory, once we get from here to, so we through the Docker or Kubernetes, we will deploy it on the we will deploy it on the server, Kubernetes or a Docker. So this is nothing but a Jenkins server. So we already did this, but so we need a automation. We need to do a automation. So this is nothing but a CI. This is nothing but a CD. Continuous delivery and continuous deployment.